In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lenovo Bluetooth headphones. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of Lenovo headphones you have, you will be able to connect them over Bluetooth, as long as they have the capabilities, of course. So you might have in-ear headphones, you might have the standard headphones models, it doesn't matter. All that you have to do is find where the button to enable pairing mode is. So in this example here, the ones that go in ears, they will be put into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button down for a few seconds. So press and hold this button down for a few seconds and you will see some sort of flashing light, indicating that it is ready to be paired. Now go into the Bluetooth settings of your device. This can be a phone, a PC, whatever, and make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. Now choose the option to add a device if needed, and the Lenovo headphones should appear on the list of nearby devices. Once they appear here on the list, you simply have to choose them, and they will be used in this specific device. All of the audio being output will go over to the Lenovo headphones. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this will completely depend on which model of headphones you have. In this example here, these headphones can be put into pairing mode by sliding it up with the power button for 3 seconds. And then once again, you go into the Bluetooth settings and choose it from the list. If you aren't sure how to enable pairing mode for your specific set of headphones from Lenovo, then be sure to check the manual. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.